Excuse me. Good morning, my adventurers. Welcome to Kimmy's Real Adventures and Stuff. This is going to be a quick snack review. I hope you're all doing well. And what we're going to be reviewing today is just two snacks I saw at Walmart the other day. One was sweet tart ropes, which I never knew about. Just like I didn't know about Hershey's Twizzlers chocolate licorice, which is one of my favorite things. So which one should we start with? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch that tiger by the toe. Let's start with the sweet tarts. The calories are 120. Serving size is 2 ropes. Total fat, no grams. Sodium, 7 milligrams. Hoi! Total carbohydrates, 28 grams. Total sugar, 18 grams. Includes 18 grams of added sugar, which totals 36%. That's a lot. Anyway, let's tear into these bad boys. If I can figure out how to get them open. They really don't like you getting into these things. And I got this, let's see, tangy strawberry. I wonder if they have other flavors. Probably, huh? They won't just have strawberry. Oh, wonderful. Can't get it out of the package. It's long. Reminds me of something else, but I'll keep it clean. It's okay. It's got a soft filling, it looks like. It's good. It's real chewy. A little difficult for me. But would I buy it again? Probably not. Now, let's go with the Hershey Twizzlers. Can y'all see that? Okay, what do we got here? This I'd probably buy again. It's chocolate. Okay, calories 120, and that's a serving size of 4 pieces. Total fat 1 gram, saturated fat 0.5 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol no grams, total carbohydrates 26, sugars 14 grams. Alrighty, let's tear this bad boy open. Shoot. Why do they make all this crap so darn difficult to open? This is really frustrating. And I'm going to put all these things in a Ziploc bag when I'm done. Oh boy. Got a strong chocolatey smell, I'll tell you that right now. Okay. This is also a little difficult for me to chew. I have sensitive teeth. Sensitive gums. It's definitely chocolate. I taste Hershey flavor. It's good. Oh boy, I chew like a cow. Yeah, I like that. That's good. I was going to wrap it up for this quick video. If you like my videos, hit the like. Excuse me. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Drop a comment in the comment section on what you'd like to see or what you might like a review on. Go back and watch my other videos. My last video has only got 1 view, which is a little discouraging. It's a relaxing fireplace. If you want to relax, take it easy for music. If you would like to relax for a few minutes and take it easy, breathe in, breathe out, and watch a nice fireplace, go check it out. It's the last video before this one. So I hope y'all have a great day. Go out there and conquer the world and stay goofy. Okay? Hit that thumbs up. And I think you can hit the notification bell down there too. It lets you know when I put out a new video. I'm gonna ride my right now I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna ride my bike down to the market. Maybe I'll do a video that way, but I doubt it. Anywho, see ya.